Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 best
Survival kits.
Number 5.
Survival gear kits 13 and 1 outdoor. Anyone can suddenly find themselves in an emergency situation. New upgrade combo 13 and 1 professional emergency survival kits. Lightweight and convenient dimensions is 6x4. Various multi-purpose parts. The rescue blankets 90% of the bodies. Equipped more safety and practical. A tactical pen.
Number 4.
Everlet survival kit 80 inches -1 outdoor. Uniquely customized by US military veterans to get you well. The kit contains the most durable, compact and popular survival. The tactical MALL-tool bag phone holster has 2 big zipped main compartments. This is truly a meaningful and practical gift for your loved ones. Get your family member. Everlet is committed to providing the most comprehensive customer service.
Number 3.
Schwann Emergency Survival Kit 13 in 1. This survival kit contains everything that's survivalist or outdoor. Five in 1 paracord bracelet with embedded compass, fire starter. The dimensions of our professional survival gear is 4.1x1. Tactical pen is prepared for breaking car glass in emergency. It's necessary when camping, hiking, adventures, survival and in emergency.
Number 2.
Tactical backpack plus hydration bladder. Set includes survival backpack 40 liters, a waterproof utility case containing 25. Adventure ready out of the box. This bundle is specifically designed to be a practical, tough and versatile, capable of handling a 72-hour adventure in the wilderness fully. The perfect gift, both affordable and unique. These make great gifts for the soldier. Customers often search survival backpack with gear, bug-out bag.
Number 1.
Ultimate 43 inches -1 emergency survival kit. Prepared for any emergency with the Holtzman's Gorilla Survival 43 inches -1. Tools in your backpack. Now you can easily fit all the necessary outdoor. Outdoor adventure. If you are getting ready for your upcoming camping, thoughtful gift. Now you can make sure that your children, friends, family, risk-free. That's right. If you were not 100% flabbergasted with your all-inclusive